Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Divine Beauty Goddess. Today I wanted to share with you how to use flaxseed for hair growth. Flax seeds are very high in omega-3 fatty acids that help nourish the hair follicles. Flax seeds are also rich in vitamins which help reduce the dryness of hair. Use of flaxseed reduces your hair fall, makes your hair and roots stronger and healthy. Before starting, I would say subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. For this recipe, we need flaxseed gel. Now, to make the flaxseed gel, boil quarter cup of flax seeds in 2 to 3 cups of water. Make sure to stir continuously to prevent flax seeds sticking to the bottom of the pan. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes. When you see a slimy texture is coming, just switch off the flame. Now, strain through a muslin cloth or a strainer. If you let the gel thicken too much, it will be hard to squeeze or strain the gel. Because as the gel will cool down, it will become hard. Now let the gel come to the lukewarm temperature. Now add in a few drops of rosemary essential oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix nicely. Keep aside to cool down. Now when the gel cools down completely, apply this gel all over the scalp and hair and wait for an hour or two before washing off. Now as you have applied oil to this gel, you can shampoo, but it would be better to shampoo the next day. And after shampoo, I didn't feel the need to use any conditioner. I think you will also feel the same thing. So use this gel to condition your hair, to straighten your hair, because flaxseed gel, when used consistently for a month or two, your hair will automatically become straight. So it's a hair straightener gel also. Along with conditioning, it would give a deep conditioning to your hair. If you have used a lot of chemicals in your hair, you should first apply this flaxseed gel to neutralize your hair, because flaxseed gel is a soothing gel. It will soothe your hair scalp, it will condition your hair, it will neutralize the scalp of your hair. So if you have a severe hair fall after your usage of chemical treatments in your hair, definitely use this flaxseed gel. It will help you in a lot way. So yes, use this flaxseed gel along with coconut oil and rosemary oil and see the results. You can use the flaxseed gel all alone also. If you don't want to use any oil, you can skip the oil. You can use the flaxseed gel on its own. Just let it cool down and then you apply it in your hair. It would give tremendous good results to your hair from the first wash. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, be happy.